Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce for you this villa. It's a two-story villa, 2 levels with 3 bedrooms. On first level, this villa has only a kitchen, living area, office, swimming pool with beautiful view to the sea, and it's on the east coast of Phuket, so here is sunrise area. Also has parking, and on first floor is 3 bedrooms and also have loft where you can do some like playroom for children. Also in this villa have lift, elevator for go not only by steps but also by elevator. So this villa is for sale. Selling price is 28.5 million Thai baht. And if you're interested for this villa to buy, you can contact me directly by phone, what you can see on the screen. See you again.